Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Continuing the news now, after September 30, one decision on the road could change the lives of motorists. This as the demerit point system takes effect. Sandy Williams reports.
Every traffic offense adds points to your driving record. At first, it may not seem like a big deal, but those points add up quickly.
The demerit point system is a structured mechanism through which points are assigned to drivers who commit specified traffic offenses. These points are recorded against the driver's record, and where prescribed thresholds are reached, administrative actions such as suspension or disqualification of driving privileges may be applied in accordance with the law.
Drive recklessly, endangering lives, and you're hit with 14 points instantly. Do it again, that climbs to 20 points, a fast track to losing your license. And if that reckless behavior leads to death, 20 points. Authorities are also drawing a hard line on drunk driving. Get behind the wheel under the influence of alcohol or drugs, you could be slapped with 14 points. Refuse a breath test, same penalty. Try it again, 20 points. In school zones, the message is even sharper: slow down or pay the price. Speed excessively where children are present and you could rack up 10 points in seconds. But it's not only the big offenses catching drivers. A quick glance at your phone to watch a video, 6 points. Fail to stop for a pedestrian, 4 points, because every step on the road matters. Motorcyclists are also in focus. No helmet, 2 points. Let your passenger ride unprotected, another 2 points. And pulling stunts like riding on one wheel, 3 points for showing off at the wrong time. Once you reach 10 to 13 points, your driver's license will be suspended for 6 months. If you continue breaking the rules and your total climbs to 14 to 19 points, you'll lose your license for 1 year. And if you reach 20 points or more, you'll be off the road for 2 years.
The platform that aids in this process is the Ticket Information Management System, which will generate notices, account for the surrendering of driver's license, and the reinstatement process. Tax Administration of Jamaica plays a critical role through its operation of driver's license processing and a customer service network. The integration of licensing services ensure that actions arising from the demerit point system can be reflected appropriately within the driver's license registry.